some lightning doesn't strike the Earth, it strikes space. For decades, pilots reported seeing strange flashes high above thunderstorms. But the flashes happened so quickly, scientists struggled to prove they were real. Then cameras finally captured them, enormous bursts of electricity shooting upward into the atmosphere, sometimes reaching nearly 90 kilometers above Earth. Today, scientists call them sprites and blue jets. They happen when powerful thunderstorms create massive electrical imbalances high in the atmosphere. And sometimes, instead of discharging downward toward Earth, the energy erupts upward toward space instead.